Alright, what do we got here? Table. This looks pretty interesting. It's the new quad ready to go in the box. All wrapped up nice and tight. So, let's see if we can open this plastic seal. There, she's open now. Flap around. Get rid of the paper evidence or the plastic bag evidence. Let's see, this has got a sort of slide or something. It's tight, it's tight. It's to stay in the box. Not ruin the box because it looks very tidy. Oh, maybe if I just grab it properly. Give it a yank. Oh. Come on, there we go. Right. Now, getting to the good part. Let's see how this works. Small pizza box, I'm guessing. Yep. Okay. What's this? Got a protection plastic on the top here. It's quite sheeny. Nice bag of Properinos, which we always need. Looks like a handy bag of good things. Oh yeah, all new screws and stuff, so that's always good. Well, I've got a lot of goodies actually. Wiring diagrams, DJI, extra antennas. Well, that's neat. You actually get the antennas from the air unit as well as the ones that obviously Diatone have made. So that's another set of antennas. Yes, how cool is that? Bonus. Alright, what have we got here? Oh, we've got the cool armor plates to go around the edges and protect the flight controller and things like that. That is cool. Oh, and then there's also different mounts to go up the front here. GoPro mounts already in the box. They look pretty good quality. And there she is. Holy cow. So look at this. Oh, just take one of those off. It's actually another plate. I can take it out a bit. Oh, looks pretty good. So we've got the 2207 1700 kVs. So that's for the Success, of course. Oh, it's got the Pro stack in there, F7. That's pretty tidy as well. Little mount. Oh, and look at that, GPS built in. Oh, that's going to be so interesting, man. You'll be having fun with that. It's got little degrees for your camera tilt and things. Looks very solid in there. Really solid. Well, the air unit looks very well mounted in there with the nice 3D prints and stuff. It's got little feet on the bottom and all, so you can do like skids when you come in, you know, like doing battery instead of battery scrapes, you do skid scrapes now on the feet. Yeah, I'll stop there 4 minutes. Okay, bro, I'll wrap her back up for you, mate, and thanks for watching.